Hello again, and good day. Based from our previous tutorial, I have discussed the bootloader for 1680 and 082A, and now we should discuss this 042A series, which is the 4KB series for 4KB MCU of Zilog. And now the bootloader, as I have not yet discussed a while ago, it can be used as an alternative to download your code or your hex file into your MCU without using the expensive USB smart cable. So you can save a lot of money and also time in downloading code, since you can use your RS-232 to download your hex file to your MCU. So now we should have to download the hex file for the bootloader for the 042A. So first, since we should see the project settings, let's go to general. So since 042A belongs to the 082A series, then change it. This should be correct setting. The next is check for the address space. This should be the correct address space. Then check for the debugger. Of course, we are using this one instead of this. Then setup internal. Okay, USB smart cable, since we are using smart cable, and then click OK. Of course, we want to rebuild it. Build successful. Rebuild again to make sure that the code is rebuilt. Then now let's go to our hardware. This is the 042A board, so I should connect the power supply first and then connect the USB smart cable. Then now download our code. Hopefully it should successfully download it. Hopefully, yeah, I think so. It is successfully downloaded. And again, error, but it's okay since I didn't set a breakpoint. Then just stop debugging. After stop debugging, let's go to our hardware and disconnect this USB smart cable, since the bootloader code is already downloaded. And now we are now ready to download our application code or hex file. So after that, this is the USB smart cable. Then open our hyper terminal. There you go. Then press first the reset button and then press the spacebar. Release the reset button, then release the spacebar. Now you are ready to download our hex file. Click transfer, send text file, all text, and click for sample hex file. Since we are using the 28 pin for 042A, that's just for this one. Then click open. There you go. The application code is already downloaded to your MCU without using the bootloader. What if you want to re-download it again? So first you have to press the reset button and then click for the spacebar. Now again, re-download your program. That's just this one. So there you go. Again, if you did a mistake and you modify your application code and you want to re-download it again, press the reset button and then press the spacebar and release this reset button. Then click for the newly updated hex file, which is something like this one. Open. Then that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you got bored, thank you very much and have a nice day.